You are my own hell. I won't let
Yesterday we got lost in the
out my
forest.
sight, 'cause then I would have no life.
It's 5:45 a.m. right now. Okay, it's not visible, but I'm going on a hike, and also my face is so puffed up. But yeah, I want to sleep. It's literally pitch dark. That is Purvika. Purvika, hi बोल. तो दिख भी नहीं रही है.
She stands on the sideline, dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I tried to make her mine.
एग्जैक्टली इसको हंसी क्यों आ रही है वो भी नहीं समझ रहे. मुझे लगता है इस टाइम पे टाइगर आते शायद इसमें सब लोग चले जाते.
लोगों की क्लासेस होती.
Heard voices in the night, whispers of double lives. Saw back from where your knife went in. Dark eyes without a face. Now that I'm on the case.
So I thought I'll just voice over this part and tell you what was actually going through my mind while getting it done. So the tattoo was definitely really painful, and maybe it is because I have low pain tolerance, but it wasn't as painful for Purvika, who went before me. And also, if I would want to describe the pain, the best way to describe it is if a cat scratched you on a place multiple times without stopping. That is the best way to describe it. The pain was nothing compared to the happiness I felt after getting it done, because I really loved it. And yeah, it was done in about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna film an entirely different video where I tell you in depth about the process and stuff. But yeah, that is my tattoo. Hope you liked it.
LA confidential. I deal with the devil. I won't leave a trace.
So I got it done, and I am so happy with how it turned out. I'll put a proper image and or video of it on the screen, but I love it so much. I love it, and I just thought I'll sit here and tell you the story of what happened yesterday, because we heard really bad news about something yesterday, so I decided not to film anything. But yeah, yesterday we got lost in the forest, and that was very interesting. Basically, the way we entered the park was not the right way to enter the park, and I had genuinely absolutely no idea that that was not the right way, because there were many people entering through that way. And basically we went hiking, and so we climbed, and then while coming down, I guess we took a wrong turn. The thing was, we didn't even know where we went wrong, because if we did, we would have just climbed back up and taken the other correct route. But we took a wrong turn, and we ended up at the main gate of main entrance of the park, and the guy over there was really rude to us for some reason. Like, obviously we were inside without a ticket, but we tried to explain to him that we just got lost, and that's how we ended up over here, and we didn't know that we weren't supposed to take that entrance. And then he's like, just climb the mountain top. Like, he literally told us just climb back up and then take the right route, and that was like a 10 kilometers extra walk. And we were like, okay, we'll do that, because he was just being very rude and he just wanted us to pay the ticket price and get out. And we would have done that. We were really considering doing that, but he was just so mean to us that our ego was hurt, and we thought, okay, we'll just climb back up and get the other way. But then we started walking, and we were like, we won't be able to do this. So we went down and we decided we'll just pay him, and then this other guy comes and he was really sweet and kind to us, and he listened to us and he just let us go. Also, he saw the birthday cake bag in our hands, so he wished me happy birthday and then he said okay, go. So that was that. Hey guys, it has been a week since I've turned 18 and I finally thought for the end of this video I should do what I got for my birthday. I thought I'd make this into a whole separate video, but then I realized I do not have enough clips for what happened on my 18th birthday, even though I feel like I did so much, but I still feel like the clips, okay, the dogs, just a second. Yeah, so I still feel like I didn't do enough vlogging for me to have a whole video, so I thought I'll include it in this video only. So I'm gonna show you what I got for my birthday, and is it tilted? And I am so happy, like I love every single thing that I got because everything is so aesthetic, so useful. The first thing that I got from my parents, from my mom actually, she gifted me this purse. And I've been wanting a plain black purse that I can carry everywhere, and I told her if she was going to give me a purse, she should let me choose it because I'm very particular with it. So I chose this one off of Amazon and I absolutely love it. It is so slim and perfect, literally perfect. My dad also gave me this really cute keychain. I love the look of purses having a really bulky keychain on the side. It looks so pretty. So I got this one. Look at how cute it is, oh my god. The next thing that I got was from my sister. She ended up giving me this book that again I wanted. I've heard so many people say so many amazing things about this book. It is The One of Us is Lying by Karen M. McManus. Everyone is talking about it, literally every single person. I am the type of person who will read a whole book in one sitting, and I've been trying to control myself and not get into the main part of the book so I don't read it off in one day. But I guess that is going to happen really soon. She also gave me a necklace, but she is currently wearing it, so I do not have it, but it is a black layered necklace. And the last thing my sister gave to me were these black and white nail polishes. The next thing that my best friend gave me was this. This is one of the gifts, and you will think this is a normal decor, but just a second. Look at that. It is so pretty and it would look so good on my desk. And the next thing she gave me was this, again, very aesthetic iridescent hourglass. Everything she gave to me was so aesthetic, and she knows that I love aesthetic things. So thank you, Purvika. And the next thing was this weekly planner. Then I got this vanilla scented candles. My favorite scent in candles is vanilla. I just love vanilla candles. So she got me this really cute, simple one. And the last thing she gave to me was actually a DIY. It is this picture photo frame with this picture of us and a very bad picture of me, but this one, and it has the song I'll Be There For You from Friends. And yeah, if you scan this on Spotify, it will start playing. So I guess that is really amazing, and I'm gonna keep this on my desk. So thank you. The next gift that I got was, if you did not know what this is, it is a reversible octopus, and one side is happy and one side is sad, and I don't know, it is such a, I don't know what it is, but I was so excited when I saw this because I've been wanting one for so long. The next thing I got was a mason jar, and it was filled with all my favorite chocolates. Filled with all my favorite chocolates. I have all those chocolates currently in this bag because I wanted to use the mason jar. I also got 2 packets of Lay's, the classic salted flavor, because, and an unpopular opinion, but this is the best flavor there is. Do not come at me. But yeah, I got 2 packets of this. I already had one, and I also have a few chocolates. Why do I say chocolates? Oh my god, I've been looking for this everywhere, and it was wrapped, and as soon as I touched it, I knew what it was, and I was so happy. It is this, and if you do not already know what this is, these are reusable straws. I've been looking for some everywhere. Oh my god, these are these rainbow type colors, and they are so pretty, and yeah, I am so happy to use them. Thank you for this. The next thing I got was this. Again, there is such a funny story, not even funny, kind of creepy story with this. this exact pair of necklace I saw it on Amazon and I wanted it, but I never ended up ordering it. But then I kept seeing it everywhere, and that was obviously because I clicked on it on Amazon, so it started recommending it to me. But then I saw it in Sari Alice's YouTube video, like she had bought the exact same, like literally the exact same necklace from a store, and she was showing it to us, and I was like, oh my god. And I saw it at so many places, and then I got it for my birthday, and the person did not even know that I wanted it for so long, and I've seen it everywhere. The next two things that I got were from my cousin. This is the first one. It is a really dainty gold necklace, and gold really looks on me. Wow. Gold really looks good on me because I have cool undertones, and if you have cool undertones, gold is a color that will look better on you than silver. So this is such a pretty necklace, and it is so dainty, you can even layer it, and I am currently so much into layering necklaces, so this is perfect for that. And the last thing they gave to me was, oh my god, I am so excited for it. I'm currently using it. If you can't already guess it, it is a ring light, and I guess that is perfect as I am currently not really posting a lot on YouTube, but still the lighting in this house is not really good. In my previous house, I could literally sit under the bed and the lighting would be absolutely gorgeous, but that is not the case in this house. So that has made me a little unmotivated to film videos, because I think lighting is such an important factor that should be good in every video. But yeah, I finally have a ring light, and I have it on right now, but I have it at the lowest of settings because I'm not used to having such bright light. I guess you can see it from here too. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so that is the ring light that I got. So that is all I got for my 18th birthday, and I'm so grateful and happy with every gift that I've got. And yeah, I thank you to everyone who gave me a gift, and I really appreciate it.
You are my own hell. I won't